Hey everyone, welcome back to Anthonytutorials. In this episode, number 5, in our WordPress Begin series, you are going to learn how to create your very first blog post in WordPress. We'll walk through writing the post, formatting it, adding an image, organize with categories, setting a featured image, and more. Let's get into it.
Anthonytutorials.
So what is a post? In WordPress, a post is a piece of content you add to your blog, like a news update, article, tutorial, or story. Unlike pages, which are static, posts are time-based and appear in your blog feed. Let's make your first one. From the dashboard, go to Post, add New. You will be taken into the WordPress block editor, kind of like a document editor but more flexible. Start by entering your blog post title, something like "Welcome to my blog." Now let's start adding content to the post. First, let's insert a heading. Click the plus icon or type /heading. Choose heading 2 and write something like "Why I started this blog." Under that heading, let's add a paragraph block. Just type your text directly. For example, starting this blog has always been a dream of mine. I wanted a place to share my ideas and connect with others. Next, let's insert an image. Click the plus icon again, select image. Then upload a photo or select one from your media library. And finally, let's add a simple list. Click the plus, select list, and add a few bullet points like first list, second list, third list. Great! Now let's give this post a thumbnail image that will show up on the blog page. This is called the feature image. On the right hand sidebar, scroll down to featured image. Click set featured image and choose or upload an image. This helps you blog look more visual and clickable. Now, time to organize your post. Scroll up on the right and look for the categories section. Click add new category and enter a name like personal or tips, whatever fits your content. You can reuse these later to keep your blog organized. Now, let's set up a page where your blog post will appear. Go to your site dashboard, then go to Pages, add new, title it blog, and just hit publish. You don't need to add any content to it. Now, head to Setting, Reading. Under your homepage display, make sure a static page is selected. For homepage, choose Home, you already did, and for post page, choose a blog, the one we just made. Click Save Changes, and now your post will automatically appear on that blog page. Then go to Appearance, Menu. Now on the left, you will see list of your pages. Check the ones you just created, blog, and click Add to Menu. Click Save Menu, and you are good to go. Okay, let's go live. Click the Publish button at the top of the editor. Then click it again to confirm. That's it. Your first blog post is now live on your website, and it's showing up beautifully on your blog page. You have just created and published your first post in WordPress and set up your blog page properly. Well done. In the next episode, we are going to talk about plugins, the powerful add-ons that can make your website even more awesome. I will show you how to install them and which plugins every beginner should know about. If you like this tutorial, please hit that like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tutorial. I'm Anthony Morningstar and you are watching Anthonytutorials. See you in episode 6.
Anthonytutorials.